Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is AUD CAD chart. The market was going up, okay, and the sellers entered after the breaking that level. So let's see what happened here on the next candle. If I get a right opportunity, then I will be trade here, okay. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm waiting for a good opportunity, then I will be place here a trade, okay. Don't forget it's uptrend. Okay, it's uptrend and I am 100% sure about this candle. It will be close above my entry point, okay. I'm sure here it close above my entry point and give me a winning trade. That's it. I am placing here a call option. Whenever I am sure to the 100%, then I will be place trade, otherwise I didn't place a trade. So look at it going up and up and up, and it will be a very good candle, and I'm 100% about this candle. So we are winning this trade definitely, okay. You can see it's a 90% profit right now. So the $45 in the money at my pocket, okay. So let's see the next trade. So right now market broke a seller's entry here. This one is the seller's entry, maybe the chance to enter sellers again here, okay. So you can see the sellers again enter here, but there is no have maybe enough sellers, so market will go up, okay. I will place a trade after this candle. If I sure, then I will be trade, otherwise I didn't trade, okay. You can see the sellers again enter, again buyers enter. Sellers and buyer are fight here, so we have to wait and watch what happened right now. Who is the win? A seller win or buyer win, okay. Then we will be place a trade here, okay. So right now there is no have any confirmation, so I'm not a place trade here. When I am 100% sure, then I will be place a trade, otherwise I did not trade here, okay. So let's see what happened here. Right now market in the fight area, in the ranging movement between sellers and buyers are fight here. So we are waiting for confirmation, then we will be trade here, okay. Otherwise we didn't place a trade here. If you understand price action, then you will be easily predict a next candle like that, and you will be 100% place a sure shot here. If you want to learn the candlestick psychology and price action, then contact me. We will provide online classes, okay. Not issue about the language Hindi, Urdu, English. So let's see what happened here. Market want to be go more up here from here, but I need a one good confirmation, then I will be place a trade here, okay. So what happened here right now, okay. No, there is no have any good moment here, so I didn't place a trade here because this is a $50 trade, so I don't want to lose my money here. So be careful that you always practice on practice account first, then you will be trade on real account, otherwise don't trade on real account. If you get 80 to 90% winning ratio, then you will be go for the real, okay. So right now I am waiting for good confirmation and good condition to take a trade, okay. So let's see what happened here. If I get a good confirmation, then I will be trade here, okay. So I know about the market will go down, sorry, up, but not sure, so I'm not place a trade here. You have to wait like this. If you 100% sure, then you will be trade, otherwise don't trade. So you will be definitely in the winning, okay, in the profit. Okay, so right now there is a low volume market here. You can see the candle movement is not properly, and doji type and spinning top type candles and wicks are coming in the candles. So right now it's not a good market here, but I'm sure the next candle will be go up, but it's a gap up open, so I need one good opportunity to take a trade. So let's see what happens here. If I get a good confirmation, then I will be trade here. Okay, market right now at the consolidation area. It must be go up or down, then we will be trade. So right now there is no have any clear sign to market will go up, so that's it. I'm waiting here. Okay, you also wait like that. If you wait 5 to 10 minutes, you will be definitely get a right opportunity. Okay, when you get a right opportunity, then attack as a tiger. Okay, you know about tiger attack. Tiger always the wait for the right opportunity, then then they will attack. Okay, so like that you must be have to wait like that. If you get right opportunity, then you will be trade, otherwise don't trade. Okay, if you wait 15 to 20 minutes, then you will definitely get 2 or 3 right opportunities. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. I think the green candle is a good sign to enters the buyers here, and buyer definitely break that level also. If the buyers are strong, then the next level is here. Buyers definitely break that level also, but we need a confirmation. Without confirmation we can't predict the candle. Okay, so it's a danger market, so we don't need to hurry. We have to wait. And this is my last trade, and I will be explaining you why I'm placing here a trade. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. Okay, okay, very good, very good, little bit more. Okay, very good. Okay, 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 okay. I'm placing here a call option, and I'm 100% sure this candle will close above my entry point as a green candle or red candle, but it closed above my entry point. Okay, if it is closed as a doji or little bit a red candle, but it closed above my entry point, and I'm 100% sure about that. That's it. I'm placing here a call option. You can see I just wait here 4 to 5 candles here, then I get a good opportunity, then I will be place here a trade. In the 2 trade I was winning previously one trade and the second one trade. Okay, you can see this candle also closed as a doji candle, but I know about that candle, it will be close my entry point, above my entry point. That's it. I'm placing here trade. You don't trade like that. If you understand sure shot, then you will be placed like that trade, otherwise don't trade. If you want to learn the sure shot and price action strategies and price action and candlestick psychologies, then you can contact me. We will provide online classes. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video. Let's see what is this candle. You can see this also closed as a doji candle. I already told you before, it closed as a red candle, a weak red candle or doji candle, then also I will be win this trade. Okay, so thank you very much for the watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.